up, you guys? So as many of you guys who have been following me on my other social media accounts, y'all know that I've been really occupied with school, and I'm all done so far, and I wanted to get started back with posting content for you guys. So I decided to go ahead and make a tutorial on my next style, which is going to be box braids. Y'all know this is like the best summer style, and it's getting kind of hot, and you know we like to go swimming around this time of the year. So go ahead and take the time out to hit that like button, and also I'm going to put my other social media links down below in the comment section and also in the description box. Go ahead and check me out under TEEDAY6 everywhere, and on Snapchat under the real TEEDAY6. So for this video, I'm going to be using again the easy braid hair, and right now I have a total of 6 packs. For the last tutorial, I think I used maybe a total of 4 packs. I only had 15 braids. This time I have 23. I wanted my parts to be a lot smaller. You're also going to need a pack of rubber bands, small rubber bands. I got a big pack, but I just took the small ones out. I'm going to be using the Shine Jam for my edges, and I also use this to grease my scalp. I'm going to put a little bit on my ends because I forgot to do my ends. So I talk too much. I decided to go ahead and speed the video up. Just some information that I didn't share. I have a total of 23 ponytails, and I decided to split the hair into 6 sections. And again, this is not a full tutorial. I'm not going step by step on what to do. I have older videos for beginner braiders to where I explain it step by step. So if you would like to check some of those out, I will put it down in the description box. So this is pretty much like a quick demonstration, not a full in-depth tutorial. After putting the ponytails in, this style literally took about an hour to complete. So if you're looking for a style that's quick, simple, yet very pretty, you know, for the summertime, for the springtime, this is the style for you. If you have not done so already, go ahead and click that thumbs up button just so I know you guys are interested in these type of videos, and it'll encourage me to want to put out more of this type of content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and hit the notification bell on the sides so that you can get alerts every time I post new content. I plan on posting twice a week, tutorials, just different lookbooks, whatever y'all want to see. So if you guys have any requests on any type of videos that you guys would like to see, or you know, content that you would like for me to put out there, go ahead and make your request known. You can comment down in the comment section, or you can email me under TEEDAY6contact@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.